The Spectrum TV app can close unexpectedly due to several reasons. The most common are corrupted cache files, which are temporary data the app stores, outdated app versions that lack bug fixes or compatibility with your device's operating system, insufficient device resources like RAM, especially on older phones or tablets, and unstable internet connections. The most common cause is corrupted cache files, which are temporary data the app stores. Another reason is outdated app versions that lack bug fixes or compatibility with your device's operating system. Insufficient device resources like RAM, especially on older phones or tablets, can also cause the app to close. Finally, unstable internet connections can lead to unexpected app closures. Recent updates have improved stability, but these issues can still occur. As of September 2025, the app should be on version 25.7.1 or equivalent for your platform for optimal performance. Keeping the app updated and managing its cache are crucial for preventing crashes. Let's look at how to fix these issues. First, restart your device to free up resources. This can resolve many issues by clearing temporary memory. Next, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Spectrum TV, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to offload the app or reinstall it to clear cache. Next, ensure the app is updated to the latest version through the App Store or Google Play. A stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps is essential for the app to work properly. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support for assistance. Avoid using third-party fix apps as they can introduce malware. If your app is up to date, your cache is clear, and your connection is stable, contacting support would be your best next step.